This is what Matt's truck does when we start it up and it's cold. Well, even when it's pretty working. Yeah, it's snowing right now. Sleeting. The whole 9 yards.
And it does this while driving.
Okay, hold on. We'll post it on YouTube.